In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an attachment in Jira. This is a straightforward process that should only take about 5 minutes to complete, making it a valuable skill for enhancing communication and documentation within your team's project management system. First, start by navigating to the Jira website. This is where the entire process begins. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in using your Google account. Just click on the Google option and follow the regular steps to log in with your credentials. Signing in with your Google account makes it easy to access your project securely and efficiently, ensuring all your work is backed by Google's trusted authentication. Next, on the left panel, you'll find the option to go to your specific board. Depending on how your organization has set up Jira, you might see various projects listed here. Select the board relevant to your work. Navigating through the left panel is pretty intuitive, so just click on your project and you'll be directed to its main board page. Once you're on the board, you'll need to locate the task to which you want to add an attachment. Simply click on it. Each task in Jira is generally detailed and organized, allowing teams to keep track of responsibilities, deadlines, and any task-specific information. By clicking on the task, you'll open a detailed view where you can make updates or add new information. After opening the task, look for the option to add a comment. This is typically found towards the bottom of the task's detailed page. Adding a comment can be useful for providing context or updates related to the attachment you are about to add. It's a great way to keep everything documented and ensure your team is always aligned with the latest information and materials. To actually add your attachment, click on the image icon that you will find beside the link icon in the comment section. This button allows you to attach files directly from your computer to the comment or task. After clicking it, you'll see an upload option. Click on it and browse your computer's folders to find the file you want to attach. This could be anything relevant to the task at hand, such as a report, an image, or any other supporting document. Finally, once you have selected your file, it's crucial to click the Save button. Saving ensures that your attachment is uploaded correctly and made accessible to everyone on the team reviewing the task. This final step is essential to avoid any accidental loss of the information you meant to share. And that's it. Following these steps, you can efficiently add attachments in Jira, making your project documentation more robust and accessible. This simple action not only improves communication, but also helps maintain thorough records of all pertinent files throughout the life cycle of your projects. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one.